Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp. So in order to buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and also make sure that you have enough funds. Now then, to begin with the procedure, first of all you have to log in and then go to the deposit page and choose credit card from the slide menu. So once you've done that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So here you need to go ahead and select the amount you'd like to spend and enter in your card details and click the submit button. Once you've done, confirming. As soon as you've done that, there will be some sort of review or a review page. So you have to go through it all and then state about the issue, and then you need to confirm the order or the transaction. If you're sure about it, then click the confirm button, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be notified with a statement that the transaction has been completed, and within no time you'll be receiving a statement as you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Bitstamp. So in that way you can buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.